The Goyappin 2500W portable steam cleaner offers powerful cleaning with high temperature and pressure steam, reaching up to 105 degrees Celsius in just 15 seconds. This steam cleaner includes multiple brushes for versatile cleaning, making it suitable for large areas, metal surfaces, and delicate items like toys and furniture. Its compact and portable design, with dimensions of 7 inches by 7 inches by 5 inches, allows for easy transport and use both indoors and outdoors. Capable of tackling a wide range of cleaning tasks, this steam cleaner effectively removes stubborn stains from kitchens, bathrooms, floors, and even car interiors. The product comes with a 1-year warranty and excellent after-sales service, ensuring any issues are resolved promptly without the need to return the item. Included in the package are various accessories, such as an extension pole, multiple brushes, and heat-resistant gloves, providing everything needed for thorough cleaning.